if you're bossing ass, I'm right. What's the plan down here? What's a million? This is about to be an action moment for people.
I'm Robert with Underground Car Audio in Port Arthur, Texas. We build custom systems made to hit hard and sound clean. Underground Car Audio, built loud, built proud.
Alright, so this is a video of the box, how it came. Oh. Well, you can see everything. Sorry if I'm moving a little fast. So I'm opening it up now. This is the second box. Alright, looks to be pretty good there. The bag is here. Try to get you a whole picture. I see it's a zip tie right here. I don't know what that's about. I'm trying to get it out. So that's it right there. Try to hold this camera and arm it out. Sorry for my hands being in the video. I'm pretty sure I can do this. Try to arm this out at the same time. So that's one side. We did get two arms. Alright, so I got my multimeter. I'm holding one side on. I'm trying to do this and hold the camera at the same time. I'm trying to test my skills out. Alright, so we do not have a blow coil. It don't die that tube correctly. On that side. Check the other side, which is this side. That we just checked that side, so now we're gonna check this side. Get it over there. Get back on there. And check that side out. And we got two.